guys, this is me, Adashan. Welcome back to the 7th episode of Adashan Plushies unboxing. But I couldn't guarantee it, but I managed to make it. So, I'm back by the way, and there's a new character in there. Who it might be, well, we'll find out in a sec. So, I'll open this package. Okay, who's inside? Yeah, who's inside? I have no idea. Let me open it. I've got something. Wait a minute, toys! Are you think I could consider? What is going on here?
I think someone's in the package, Wayne.
Oh no!
Someone's in the package.
Oh no!
Okay, we'll get you out.
Yeah, we'll get you out, don't worry. We'll get you out.
Yeah, it better be good.
Yeah, me too. Obviously, it better be.
My friend dies. How'd you been in this package? Don't worry, we'll get you out.
Yeah, we'll get you out. Alright.
We'll open the scissors. Yep, open the scissors, Wayne.
Yeah, cut the scissors. Alright, let's do this, okay? Let's do this. Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's open it.
Alright, let's open it. Where am I? Toys! Nice to meet you guys. Toys! Where have you been? I don't know. It's got stuck in the package, so I'm here.
My friend dies.
I missed you. I am so missed you. Yeah, I missed you too, Peppino. Okay, let me pick you guys up.
Alright.
Toys, what are you doing here? Well, let me pick you up. I will say, back and I was in the side of this package over here, but yeah, I decided to make it, so yeah. I made it, everybody. Yep, Joyce is joining the show, right? Yep. Okay. Pretty nice. So, am I gonna join the show? Yes you are. Yes. It's so exciting, right, Joyce? Yep, I am so happy I'm in the show. Yes. This is what I like to see. Yes. Alright, Joyce, so, you're prepared for show now? Yes, I am. Alright, so, now what? Now we're gonna end the video? I think so, yeah. I think so, okay.
Make sure obviously let's end it off.
Yeah, let's end it off. Good idea. Alright.
So, I guess that's it, Wayne?
I think so. Alright, let's end off. So it is a bit short on Adashan Plushies unboxing 7th episode, but I managed to get Doys as a plush, so yeah. And also, please leave a like and comment as well. So let's end up the video, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll be seeing you next time for some more Adashan Plushies unboxing episode number 8 when it comes out. So bye, and also, by the way, before we end the video, stay tuned in the first episode of Guessing with Doors. And also, here's the sneak peek on the thumbnail. Alright, here's the thumbnail, and that's it. So, stay tuned in the first episode of Guessing with Doors. So, bye-bye. And stay tuned in the first episode of Guessing with Doors. Bye-bye. And see you later, everybody. And also, give me the first episode of Guessing with Doors. Thank you. And see you later, everybody. Bye-bye. Just joking. And before we end the video, what is it? Noise and Piece of Face and Peppermint are coming. Oh, really? Yes, they are. For a birthday special? Yes, they are coming, folks. So stay tuned for that. So stay tuned for the birthday special when it comes out on July 14. So yeah. I'll be seeing you next time for some more Ada Channel plushies unboxing. So introduce me to toys. So bye bye. And also stay tuned in the first episode of Guessing with Toys. So bye.